Students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss unit 4 worksheet 2, which is at page number 48 of our mathematics book. In this worksheet we have a topic how to compare two fractions, and we are having two methods to compare the fractions. First is cross multiplication method, which is in question number 1 of the worksheet. Compare the fractions by cross multiplication method. Let's see with one question. A part, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. To compare these two fractions by cross multiplication, first of all, put a cross in between them. Then, starting with the left top, the numerator of the left side fraction 1 will be multiplied by this denominator 4. 1 multiplied by 4, and this numerator will be multiplied by this denominator 1 multiplied 2. We know the answers 4 and 2. Then compare these two numbers. 4 greater than 2, we all know. Then the number at the left side is greater than the number at right side. So the same side fraction means 1 by 2 will be greater than 1 by 4. Let's see one more example. It's D part, 4 by 9 and 5 by 18. In the same way, put a cross in between them. This 4 will be multiplied by 18 and 5 multiply 9. 4 18s are 72 and 5 9s are 45. Compare these two numbers. 72 is greater than 45. So the fraction to the same side 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by 18. Okay, this is the method, cross multiplication method. The remaining parts of this question will you do on your own. These are very simple. Now let's move to another method, which is compare the fraction by taking the LCM. We have to compare the fractions by taking the LCM of denominators. Here in first part, 7 by 2 and 5 by 3. Two fractions are given. We will compare by taking the LCM of the denominators. In our unit 3, we have learnt different methods to find the LCM, but those methods were very long. So now here I am going to introduce a new method to find LCM, a shortcut method in which we take these two denominators collectively, as we did in prime factorization method. Starting with the first prime number 2, 2 divides 2, answer will be 1. 3 divides 2, the same number 2, but 3 cannot be divided, so 3 will remain as it is. In the next step, the number which has already been 1, it will remain as it is. Think about this. 3 can be divided by 3. So 3 divides 3, the answer is 1. We keep on repeating these steps till we are left with all ones here. As soon as we are with all ones, so we will write the LCM, which is multiplication of these two numbers. 2 multiply 3, which is 6. Okay, we can find LCM by any other method also. The answer will be same. After finding the LCM, what we have to do? Write a collective denominator 6. Then 6 will be divided by each of the denominators 1 by 1. When 6 divides by 2, its answer is 3. 3 will be multiplied by this numerator. 3 7s are 21. In the same way, 6 divides 3 is 2. 2 5s are 10. After this step, these two numerators will be separated with the same denominator 6. Now as the denominators are same, compare the numerators 21 and 10. Which is greater? 21. So the fraction at the left side, which is 7 by 2, will be greater than 5 by 3. Okay, let's take one more example. It's B part, with the same method, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. 6 and 4. Find the LCM. Let's start with 2. 6 divides 2, it's 3. 4 divides 2, it's 2. Again, here we have 2, so we will go with 2 again. 3 divides 2, not possible. 3 as it is. 2 divides 2, it's 1. Now it will go at 3. 3 divides 3, 1. This is already 1. So both are 1. So LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. The same step will be here. Common denominator 12. 12 divides by 6. 2. 2 5s are 10. And 12 divides 4, it's 3. 3 3s are 9. In the next step, separate the numerators. 10 by 12 and 9 by 12. 12 and 12 are same. Out of 10 and 9, which is greater? Yes, 10. 10 by 12 is greater than 9 by 12. So, the fraction at this side will be greater. 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4. Okay, let's do one more example, which is its D part. What is it? 3 by 10 and 3 by 4. Okay, take the LCM of 10 and 4. At the table of 2, 5s are 2, 2s are. Again at 2, 5 cannot be divided, but it can be divided. Now at 5, 1s are. This is already 1. What is the LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. The same steps will be followed here. 20 divides 10, it's 2. 2 3s are 6. 20 divides 4, it's 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now separate the numerators. 6 by 20 and 15 by 20. Which one is greater? 15 by 20. So, here the right side fraction is greater. So, in the same way, 3 by 10 is less than 3 by 4. The right side fraction is greater. Okay. In the same way, we can solve the remaining parts of question number 2. Now in question number 3, we have compare the following pairs of fractional numbers. Here method is not mentioned, so we can apply any of the method, either of first question or of second question, whichever you find easy. But if the fraction is mixed, then firstly convert into improper and then compare. Okay, you will try to solve this question on your own. In the next lecture, we will go further. Thank you.